Hey guys, welcome to the channel, More Reviews. Yes, we are back at the Loft apartment complex developed by Wihcon Construction. So today we have a chance to go inside and get a property tour, so I'm taking you guys along. First of all, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. Subscribe so you don't miss any content like this. Turn on your post notification bell as well so you don't miss anything, guys. So the Loft by Wihcon, that's what we're taking a look at today. One of the subscribers on the channel was so nice to arrange a inside tour. He's one of the investors on this property, so I really appreciate that. And guys, remember, once you have access to a property, once you have some form of link and can give me an inside look, inside tour, I really appreciate that. So developed by Scotia Bank, or sorry, financed by Scotia Bank, and they are right next to the National Stadium. So what they're doing now is just fixing up the beautification of the outside. A very nice location, especially for Airbnb, especially when events are keeping at stadium. They also have a side gate, which you'll see later. So if so far keeping at stadium, you can drive at the side gate. Again, guys, like the video, comment on the video, and share it so that more persons can see as well. And if you're thinking about donating to the channel, we have PayPal and other options. So the Loft apartment complex by Wihcon Construction, that's where we had today. Alright, so I'll be going in on the inside shortly, just showing you guys around, and then we go into the apartment space. They have underground parking, gym, tennis, another recreational area. I think the only thing missing is a pool. So no pool, but a lot of amenities and great views, great balconies. Alright, so this is the gym and clubhouse area. That's block B, and then block A is around here. So this will be the gym area. Alright guys, so we are now on the inside of the property. So just gonna show you guys around the place so you guys see what's happening. This is block B, block number 2. We're basically completely finished. Some tenants have started to move in. So yeah, they're basically finished and ready to go. So this is the Loft by Wihcon Construction. So again guys, definitely leave your comment, let me know what you think about this. I think this is up there with 20 South in terms of the number 3 spot in terms of best apartment complex that's completed in Kingston right now. We know a lot of them are in the completion stage, so we're talking about the ones that are finished. The apartment that I'll be showing you guys, I think it's at the top floor, floor number 6. So this is the outside before we go in. I'll show you guys the tennis court and a little bit of the gym area, and then I'll show you guys block A and so forth. So again, very clean, very nice colors. I love the colors as well. As I said, persons are moving in, so we have curtains at those windows, and a mattress. Not sure if you guys can see that mattress right there. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try show you now block A, because this is block B. Alright, so this right here is the back gate. So for example, when events are being kept at the National Stadium, you can avoid it. So this is the back gate, which leads on to Mountain View Avenue. So building B, block 2, going around to block A. Alright guys, so this is the tennis court, all finished. And then we have the gym area and entertainment area. Then this is block A, the one closer to the stadium. Alright, so the loft by Wihcon Construction, very nice, very chic, very young, very vibrant. Share your comments guys, let me know what you think in the comments, and remember to share this video. And again, if you have any involvement or connection with any property and can give me access to go on the inside to do a tour like this, I'll definitely appreciate it. This is a balcony. And then that's the National Stadium. So this is the master bedroom. Nice views. Then we have a walk-in closet to the bathroom. So this would be the master bedroom. Continue Kingston from here. bedroom number 2. Bathroom number 2. So this leads to the elevator. So we have staircase here. And we have some beautiful windows. And the elevator right here. So this is the ground floor. Alright guys, so this is the Loft apartment complex by by Wihcon Construction. I think it's really nice. It's in comparison to like 20 South. Definitely leave your comment, guys. Let me know what you think. Blow up the comment section, and again a big thank you to one of my subscribers who arranged for this property tour, and also to provide footage to him as well, as one of the investors. Really appreciate it, guys. So remember to subscribe if you're new. Subscribing is free, and leave a comment, like the video, and share as well. Share to a friend and family so that more persons can see. Some of these apartments will be Airbnb, some will be for rental. So I appreciate it, guys. And again, if you want to support the channel by donating, we have PayPal and other options. So thanks so much for watching. Leave a comment, and once you guys have some links, have some connection to apartments like these, to property like these that I can go on the inside, definitely let me know and we'll work on it together. Thanks again.